Hey, Leo? Wow, long time no see you. What are you doing in this part of the city? Hey, Jack. Yeah, I'm just walking around. I needed some air, to be honest. Oh, I know that feeling. Life is crazy sometimes. How have you been? Honestly, I don't even know how to answer that. I feel tired. But it's weird, Jack. I feel tired all the time, but I'm not even doing anything special. I don't work long hours. I'm not running around, but still, I wake up tired. I walk around tired, and at night, I'm just exhausted all the time. Dude, I feel exactly the same. I used to think I was lazy or something. Like, how can I feel so tired if I didn't do anything? But now I think maybe it's not our body. Maybe it's our mind. Probably. Exactly. That's the part that confuses me. My body's fine. I didn't go to the gym. I didn't run a marathon. But my brain feels like it's been working for, I don't know, 10 hours straight. I just sit at home sometimes, look at my phone, scroll for hours, and somehow I feel drained. It's crazy, right? I think it's this modern life, man. Too much information. Every second there's something new. New news, new post, new message, new email. It never stops. And even if we don't move our body, our brain is always working, thinking, comparing, worrying. Yes, 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 that's it. And I always feel like I'm not doing enough. I wake up late and feel guilty. I scroll through Instagram, I see people traveling, buying houses, getting married, having children, getting a lot of money. And I'm just sitting there in my pajamas, feeling like I'm behind in life. Oh man, that's something we all feel, but we never talk about it. Everyone looks happy on social media, but deep inside, many people are anxious, confused, tired, depressed, worried, just like us. You know what's worse? I try to rest, but I can't. Like, I sit on the sofa to relax, but I still feel tense. My heart beats fast for no reason. My chest feels heavy. I feel like I forgot to do something, but I didn't. It's just this constant pressure. Bro, that's anxiety. It's not just fear. Anxiety is like your brain never turning off. Even when nothing is happening, it feels like something is wrong. You feel danger, but you don't know why. So you just stay tired, thinking, and nothing changes. Wow, you explained it perfectly. I thought I was going crazy or being lazy, but with everything you've said, maybe I'm just mentally exhausted. Exactly. And I don't think we are alone. I read something interesting last week. It said rest is not just sleep, it's peace. It's being free from guilt, pressure, and overthinking. And I was like, man, that's what I need. I love that. I think sometimes we need to allow ourselves to do nothing without feeling bad, like real rest. Just sit, breathe, and not worry about the next goal, the next step, the next plan. Exactly. And maybe we also need to disconnect a little, like turn off the phone for 1 hour, go for a walk without music or notifications. You know, just breathe, listen to your steps, look at the trees. Remember that the world is bigger than your phone screen. Think about it. That sounds so simple, but so true. I think we forgot how to just be. We always want to do, achieve, win, show, post, but we never just sit and live. You know what I do sometimes? I write in a notebook. I don't care about grammar or spelling. I just write my thoughts, everything, even the stupid stuff like I feel weird today or I don't know why I'm sad. It helps. It really does. I never tried that, but maybe I will. I think I need to take care of my mind more. I always worry about my body, my clothes, my job, but my mental health? Same here. But now I try to talk more, even with friends. I used to say I'm fine all the time. But now, if I feel bad, I say it. Just like today. You said it, and now we're talking, and it helps, right? Yeah, it really does. I feel lighter now. Like maybe I'm not broken. Maybe I'm just tired. Tired from being in a world that never stops. Exactly. You're human. We all are. And it's okay to rest. It's okay to feel tired. Even if you didn't run 5 miles, your brain is doing a lot. Be kind to yourself. Thanks, Jack. Seriously, I really needed this. Just talking like this. Anytime, brother. Remember this. You don't have to be busy to feel tired, and you don't have to feel guilty for resting. Life is heavy sometimes, but we carry it together. You're not alone. We all feel like that sometimes. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.